Welcome back to Paul and Benny. I'm Benny, and today I'm making cold foam for your iced coffees. The summer's hot and you need a little refreshment, little sweetness on top of your iced coffee. This is the recipe for you. This is a quick recipe and you only need 2 ingredients. The first ingredient is skim milk. It has to be skim. The second ingredient is sugar. You can adjust the sweetness, but you need sugar in this recipe. And you'll need some sort of frother. You can use an electric. We have a hand frother here. Such a cool tool. We got this as a gift from our Aunt Donna. Thank you, Aunt Donna. And now let's mix it up. We're using a mason jar because of all the measurements are right here on the front. We're gonna use 8 ounces of skim milk. Pour that to the 8. And we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of granulated white sugar. You can make this a little bit sweeter, a little less sweeter. We use 3 because it seems to work perfectly. And now let's start frothing. And you're gonna wanna do this till it about doubles in size. So I'm aiming for the 16 ounces here. Woo, switch hands. That was about 3 minutes. So I'm gonna strain off the extra unfoamed milk into the jar. So now let's serve. So we're gonna put some ice, some iced coffee or cold brew, whatever you like, and pour the cold foam. Ooh. And there you have it. Cold foam for an iced coffee on a hot day. Cheers. So let's give this a try. This is so delicious, really airy, light. It still has a lot of sweetness and it does sweeten up the coffee. So if you're not a super sweet coffee drinker, this is perfect because the coffee itself gets flavored as you drink through the foam. If you're like me, you love iced coffee, which means you probably got something with cold foam on it already, so you know what this tastes like, but now you can make it at home. It's super easy and it tastes just like the coffee shop. And the cool thing is you can adjust the sweetness. Want to add more sweetness? Put in a little bit more sugar. Want it less sweet? Put a little less sugar. Definitely a 10 out of 10 for easiness, a 10 out of 10 for tastiness. I'll be making this for the rest of the summer for sure. So give this recipe a try. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I'd love to hear your feedback. For more delicious coffee recipes, make sure you check out our coffee playlist. As always, I'm Benny. I'm grateful for our delicious cold foam coffee drinks, and I'm grateful for you watching. But you know what? I'm gonna finish this. Cheers.
Oh my goodness.